It was 2:30 in the morning. The air was cold and darkness hadn't gone away. I was questioning my decision to explore. Half asleep, I crawled into the tour bus. The drive to Mount Haleakala took almost 3 hours. The crisp, slightly chilled breeze on my face was like a sharp jolt. Certainly woke me up, zap and snap. Look around, do a bold take if you must. Who said that? Huh? My inner voice. Feel, be really present, here and now. The sky, the stars, the moon, the galaxies, the sounds, the silence, the chaos engulf my physical casing. Patiently, I stood, looking as far as I possibly could. What new messages await me? I wondered. Snapshots to be taken. Cameras all ready. I've been here before, long, long ago, with my children, my brothers, my sisters, my ancestors, my people. The warriors, my heroes, they who guided me. The magical, majestic moment all have been waiting to see. The sun, slowly, gently, brightly rising from yonder. Then enormous energy, power, light and life was all I could feel. For a moment, I felt like I could almost touch the sky and the stars as the bright rays passed right through my very being. I froze, elevated, circularly, turning slowly. Like a transparent, microscopic being, every cell awakened, rejuvenated, activated. Alone, surrounded by people from all walks of life. Blinded, I could see what was then from long ago. Illiteracy, poverty, hunger must teach others to read and write. Adversities, challenges, empowering experiences. Violence. Armed soldiers searched the town daily. Anger coated the town. Peace, order, harmony were nowhere to be seen. The precious children, all priceless gems, felt no safety. Oppression, discrimination. This one came from far away, had to leave what was home. Didn't come to annoy but to learn, to be educated. This one is different, with slanted eyes. The phrase, the Oriental one, was heard constantly. The skin tone is not white. Sometimes it's hard to tell. The dead silence and the look that could kill treatments. She quickly learned to battle almost every day, and she was taught not to be judgmental of others, to be compassionate. Child abuse, a dehumanizing plague. The physical scars from the cigarette burns on both wrists are constant reminders. She was just a child, hoping all her might to get out, could not reach the door latch. Wars, battles of all sorts, for warriors of long ago, perhaps all the same for warriors of today. A wounded warrior awakened, a voice of multiple languages. One who belonged to many groups. A mediator, a peacemaker. Courageous, determined, focused. The internal wounds of this warrior are now almost healed. the hurt and pains are nearly cleared. Such gentle hands enable the warrior to talk, to teach, to create, to direct. Respectful, integral, honest. Be true to yourself. Be grateful, for you are blessed. Words must match your actions. Be fair. Allow others to be who they really are. A warrior chooses to evolve, to grow, to be alive, to be empowering, to be supportive. A true listener. One who believes that dreams, hopes, wishes do come true. A warrior sees and appreciates the beauty of each and every moment. A warrior is a survivor, one who believes in all that is good.